Hey guys, complete walkthrough of our flatbed drone skid. So this is an 8-foot by 10-foot flatbed skid meant to go on 8 by 10 flatbeds. We've got dual 8.5 gallon minute pressure washers here with our manifold to switch from pure and dirty water. So right now we're in a pure water setup. So to switch pressure wash 1 down to dirty water, point it to the ground. Same thing for pressure wash 2. Go ahead, point that down to the ground. So now they're both doing dirty water. We got our 19-gallon gas tank here. Got our HydroPanel 4.5 RO system. That's gonna produce a bunch of RO water into the tanks. We've got 4 100-gallon tanks on here, 200 gallons of pure water, 100 gallon of dirty water, and 100 gallon of bleach. We got a lockbox up on top. We've got our loading crane here. We have our large DI tank. So we're gonna come out of that RO system into a large DI tank, and that's just gonna give us plenty of longevity on DI. So we'll have the benefits of RO and still have plenty of DI for long-lasting filters. We got our water inlet. We have our micron mesh filter on the left, then a 5-micron sediment filter on the right. We've got our surface cleaner rack up on top for flat work and our pole holders on the right for water-fed pole. We got our soft wash system right here on the end. So our gas P40 soft wash system with the electric start Honda engine. 4-port manifold. We've got our soap. We have our chem and our dirty water lines right here. So typical soft washing on that side. We can turn all that off and open up our pure water system to do pure water with the drone. More lock boxes on the side. We love throwing lock boxes anywhere we can. Plenty of storage, good use of space. You don't have anything used for. Otherwise, we've got the new, to us here at ProTool, absolutely love these reels. They're going on all of our builds going forward. These are the Stingray Manta reels. These have lots of space for hose, electric reels, hose guards, wand holders, just great reels. Love the build quality. We have 300 feet of ultralight hose for our water fed line. We have 140 feet of 3/4 inch water input hose right here. We have our 3/8 high pressure line, 300 feet, and 300 feet of 300 PSI soft wash hose right here. We've got a 3-way valve right here for our water coming in, so we could go through our water filtration and into our dirty water tank, or switch that over. Right now it's set up for our purification system to go into the tank. We've got a pump controller for our water fed line, and we got remotes on everything. So there's remote control over the DI line and remotes for the soft wash setup for remote rinse, remote soap, and remote on off, as well as remotes for both pressure washers to turn those on and off. That's our flatbed drone skid.